Hey doll babies, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 and day 2, Saturday of my DMV trip. As you can see, I'm online browsing the web. I slept in and I'm looking up the National Museum of African American History and Culture to book a ticket. Tickets are free, but they insist that you get a ticket online before you show up. As a hack, I was told that I may be able to walk up and still get in, but I'm unsure. Clearly, all the tickets are sold out, so I'm trying to figure that out.
To go as a walk-in on Monday, 1 p.m. You can do that. I'll try again tomorrow, I guess.
Khaliah 21.
321. Okay, it's not included, but you can still charge it to your room or you can pay here.
Okay, so
You can sit right on the window.
hey y'all, hey doll babies, it's Khaliah again on day 2 in the DMV, and I just got myself ready to hang out with Sonia. So I met her last night and we hit it off. I have someone to actually chill with and hang out with because all the Arkansas peeps are leaving out either this morning already or this evening actually, and so I'm gonna be hanging out with Sonia, and we'll be able to go around the city because she actually has a car, so I don't have to really deal with Ubering and lifting around or using the shuttle. So I'm really excited about that. It is very hot. It is a scorcher, but her ETA is about 10 minutes away, so she will be here in just a little bit. So we're just gonna hang out and chill, look at the city, see what we can see. Getting a little footage of the mall. Sonia and I were just out here enjoying the day. Right. All under one house. Yeah. The largest lush in America, and it's amazing.
But no, I did not care for her at all, and I'm not difficult.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't not.
That
like
is
people,
interesting.
But she was very, and I, of course, I was very kind to her.
Yes.
And she was.
It's an interview?
I went to interview her.
Okay.
Yes. And so, so I went to interview
In a quarter of a mile.
And,
Turn right on Military Road Northwest.
But I was like, you know what? Because we were hosting the Stellar Music Awards.
Mm-hmm.
And so I said, you know what? There's CC
Winans right there, and she was fabulous. I said,
Oh yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, she was fabulous. Emmanuel Lewis was there, Kirk Franklin, and all of them. So I was like, you know what? I was like, don't worry about it. You know, it's all right. So I was just like, I'm gonna leave that interview to somebody else.
Right.
You know, I was like, it's all right. We're good. I'm golden.
We good on that.
Yes. So, but him, I can understand. And I can understand because she's pretty. You know. But to me, pretty is as pretty does. And so, you know, and I'm sure that if she liked them.
Wow. That was so quick.
Getting ready to hit Wisconsin Avenue.
Okay.
May I have your attention as there is traveling when we're connecting to the blue or yellow line?
National Mall. Perfect.
But I guess that's what everybody's doing here.
Wow. Who knew? So we walked up on an Apollo 50 projection show. We were not expecting this. It is crowded. Super crowded. So it's messing up all my views because the big projection screens and the lights are out. But hey, whatever. It is what it is. Each night. There are so many people out this evening. That's so sweet.
Ryan Little.
It's so big. Like, why not do that?
Well, somebody's not happy. So it's a honking war now?
And they got a red, so we're
It's crazy. And we're all